In this video, we're going to learn about the present continuous tense, which is also called the present progressive tense. So some teachers, some books can call it present continuous or present progressive. It's the same thing. When do we use the present continuous or present progressive? We use it when we want to talk about something, okay? We want to talk about something that is happening now and not finished. Okay? So for example, if I say I am talking to my friend, this is something that is happening now, but I'm not finished yet. I'm still talking to my friend. So let's look at how I could draw this on a line, on a graph. Okay? So here we have some lines. Let's say that the line that goes this way is about future. The line that goes here on the left is about the past. And the line here that is like this is right now. Okay? So if I draw a picture like this, and I say I am talking to my friend, if right now the time is 6 p.m., this means that maybe I started talking to my friend at 5:55 p.m. So it was a little bit before. And maybe I'm going to finish in 10 more minutes. So at 6:10 p.m., I'm going to finish talking to my friend. Okay? So if I say I am talking to my friend, we use this grammar tense, the present progressive, to say that it's happening right now. But I started talking to my friend a little bit before, okay? And I'm going to finish maybe sometime after, okay? Maybe at 6:10 I will finish, all right? So I'm talking to my friend is the present progressive form. So how do we make the present continuous or present progressive? Well, we have to use our subject. So we have our subject, I, you, he, she, it, okay? We, they, and then the plural you. And then the to be verb is am, are, is, and we are, they are, and you are. So to make the present continuous or present progressive, we need the subject, the to be verb, and then the verb plus ing. So the verb plus ing. Okay? And I do this one for all of them. Verb plus ing, verb plus ing, verb plus ing. Please go ahead and take these notes on your paper. Verb plus ing and verb plus ing. Okay? So this is the way we make the present continuous or present progressive. So the example, how about if we have the verb walk? How do I make the present continuous or present progressive for the verb walk? Well, we said we need the subject, I am, and then it's going to be walk plus ing. So I am walking. Then it's going to be you and the to be verb are, and then verb ing, again, walking. So I am walking, you are walking, he, she, it is walking. Then we have we are walking, they are walking, and then the plural you are walking. So this is the way we would make the present continuous with the verb walk. Okay, so an affirmative sentence is a sentence that is true. Okay? So affirmative means true. So if I say I am walking, well, that's true. Or you are walking, this is true. All right? This is the same as when I said I am talking to my friend. Well, that's true. Okay? To make the negative sentence, so if you want to write it so it's not true, then what we have to do is we have to put the not, the word not, after the to be verb. So we're going to say, I am not walking. Okay, so negative means not true. Yeah. You are not walking. He, she, it is not walking. We are not walking. They are not walking. And the plural you. You are not walking. So if I had I am talking, and I wanted to make the negative sentence, well, all I have to do is I find a to be verb, and after the to be verb, I put not. I am not talking. Okay? To my friend. Okay, so how about if I want to make a question? How do we make a question in the present continuous or present progressive? So we have the table here, the information for the walking in present progressive, right? We have this one right here. I put it again here so you can see it. So to make the question, what you need to do is you need to find the to be verb. Where's the to be verb? Right here. And now what? Now you put the to be verb in front of the subject. And now you can make the question. So I am walking. If you want to make the question, you can make it. You put the to be verb in the front of the subject, and you have am I walking? And remember to put the quotation mark. Okay? So here the same. If you have you are walking, you put the to be verb in front of the subject, and this one becomes are you walking? Remember, you need to put a capital letter and put the question at the end, the question mark. Then we have he, she, it is walking. Okay, to make the question, I find to be verb. Here it is, to be verb. Put in the front. Okay? Is he, she, it walking? We are walking. All right, here we go. Again, put in the front. Are we walking? Okay, to be verb. Put in the front. Are they walking? And then here again, you are walking. Put the to be verb in the front. It becomes are you walking? And this is the way we can make a question in the present continuous or present progressive. Okay, let's do a couple of questions to practice. So if you want, go ahead and pause the video now. So press pause, and you can try it by yourself on a piece of paper or in your handout that I gave you. But go ahead and try it. Okay, we're back. So if we have this sentence, which is affirmative, she is eating a fruit. And if I want to make this sentence into a negative sentence, what do I need to do? Well, we talked about the rule is that after the to be verb, which is right here, I need to put not. So I'm going to put she is, and here I put not. I put not after the to be verb, eating a fruit. Okay? How do I make a question? I told you the best way to find how to make a question is look at the affirmative sentence. Okay? So we have the affirmative sentence, and now what do? I look at the to be verb, and then what? I put the to be verb in front of the subject, and now I have is she eating a fruit? And there you go. Okay? So we put the to be verb in front of the subject. Remember to put a capital letter, and remember to put a question mark at the end. Okay? Because it's a question form in this case. So we learned about the present continuous, present progressive. When do we use it? How do we make affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and questions? See you in the next episode.